In today's video,
I'm going to teach you how to reset your Snapchat Discover feed with a few quick fixes. Whether you've been stuck viewing the same stories on repeat or simply want a fresh start on your feed, these steps will guide you toward personalizing your Discover experience effectively. To begin, we'll first tackle clearing your search and viewing history. Go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once you have it open, look to the top left corner where you'll see your Bitmoji icon. Tap on it to access your profile. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see the familiar gear icon, which is your settings section, and tap on it. Within the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Account Actions. Here, you'll have a few options to choose from. First, tap on Clear Search History, which will erase the records of your past searches, reducing the influence of previous queries on your feed. Additionally, you might want to select Clear Scan History. This action will remove any traces of past scans, further refining the content that appears on your Discover page. If you're comfortable with it, you can optionally clear conversations, which will remove chats and story links. Doing so might help more by disconnecting any lingering influences in your recommendations. Moving forward to manage the content itself, let's focus on hiding stories you're not interested in. On the Discover page, whenever you come across a story or a publisher that doesn't resonate with you, simply tap and hold the item. A menu should appear, providing you with the option to either hide the story or select See Less Like This. Making these selections informs Snapchat that you prefer not to see content of that nature, effectively improving your feed to better align with your interests. Now, if you find your Discover page persistently stagnant despite these efforts, consider performing a hard refresh. This can be achieved through two means. Firstly, try logging out of your Snapchat account and then logging back in. This simple step can often prompt a refresh of the feed. If this doesn't suffice, uninstalling and then reinstalling the Snapchat app can serve as an effective measure. Rest assured, all your memories and friends remain safe and intact, but just ensure you remember your login information to sign back in without any hassle. Lastly, remember to be patient as you await the algorithm's learning process. Following these steps, start engaging with the type of stories you'd like to see more of. As you interact with this content, the algorithm will steadily adjust, bringing forth a Discover feed that increasingly aligns with your tastes. By following these simple yet effective steps, you'll enjoy a refreshing and personalized Snapchat Discover feed in no time. Happy snapping!